You have often thought about learning Luxembourgish, but find it too inconvenient, too difficult to drive to class twice a week, look for a parking spot, and then, after 1.5, 2 hours, come home after having been in a classroom with 20 other mates? Say goodbye to all this and learn Luxembourgish easily online with Academia. I am Jean-Paul Piazzolla and I have been a language teacher for adults for more than 23 years now. And I have developed the first Luxembourgish course that can be done entirely online. Academia is the proven way to learn Luxembourgish without struggling. Academia offers interactive online courses in small groups of at most 6 students to guarantee you a fast learning experience with best results. But what if one day you are unable to attend the class? Here too, online Luxembourgish courses from Academia have a unique advantage because all courses are recorded and these records give you a total flexibility so you never miss a lesson because you can watch them anytime after. Now, many of my students want to study really well, repeat the stuff and prepare for the next lesson in the best possible way. For this, all students have access to their personal virtual classroom with individual exercises. And this is what makes learning nowadays really fun. You can try your free Luxembourgish mini lesson right now. One click is all it takes to start your first Luxembourgish lesson. After having completed your first Luxembourgish mini lesson, you will be automatically invited to the next free demo course. Visit academia.lu to start your language journey now. So that's it for now. I look forward to meeting you in your Luxembourgish course.